Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler J. Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. If you've booked an implant consultation or you're thinking about it, you might be wondering, what actually happens during the consultation? Do I need to bring anything? Is it high pressure sales? This video is here to take all the guesswork out of it. Today, I'm going to walk you through what really happens during your dental implant consultation, what to expect when you walk through the door, and how to prepare so you can get the most out of your visit. Let's break it down. First, the consultation is totally free. Let's get this out of the way right up front. Yes, your implant consultation at Smile Now is completely free. That includes a one-on-one conversation with me or one of our doctors, a 3D cone beam CT scan, a full exam and medical review, and a custom treatment plan tailored to your needs and goals. There's no cost, there's no pressure, and there's no commitment required. You're only going to pay if you decide to move forward with treatment. You're not going to be billed for your x-ray or anything like that. We believe that every patient deserves clear, honest information before making a decision this important. What happens during the consultation? So here's what to expect, step by step. Number one, we meet and discuss your goals. We'll sit down and talk through your current dental situation. Do you have missing teeth, dentures? Did some of your previous work not go so well? Look, there's no judgment. We don't care about what happened before you came here. What's important is that you came. So more importantly, we're gonna ask you, what do you want your smile to look and feel like? What are your goals? Whether it's eating without pain, ditching the dentures, or just being able to smile confidently again, we're going to tailor everything from there. Next, the 3D scan and exam. We'll take a cone beam CT scan, a quick, comfortable 3D image of your teeth, your bone, and your sinuses. This is going to give us a full view of your bone volume, nerve pathways, your implant positioning, and hidden infections or bone loss that we need to be aware of. From there, we'll perform a light physical exam and review your medical history. If needed, we'll also connect with your physician to clear any conditions that might affect your healing. Next, you'll get a personalized treatment plan. It's time for the most important part that the patients love the most, and that's going to be seeing their options. We'll show you the number of implants that you need, whether you're a candidate for all-on-X, snap-in dentures, or just a single tooth, and also your timeline from surgery to your final smile. We'll also discuss what your temporary and your permanent teeth will look like, exactly what's going to cost, and no surprises. What to bring to your appointment. To get the most out of your consultation, here's what we recommend bringing. A list of your current medications, any medical history you think is relevant, such as heart conditions, diabetes, past surgeries, etc., and questions. We love when patients come prepared with concerns or goals. We also would like to see any previous x-rays if you happen to have them, but it's not terribly important because we're going to make our own and they're probably more detailed than anything you have before. And we also, very importantly, want to see if there's any other person that's involved in making these types of decisions for you. If that's your wife, if it's your mom, if it's your girlfriend, if it's someone that might be co-signing a financing agreement with, go ahead and bring them in because this is the best time to have everyone together and put together a treatment plan for you. So let's make this an impactful consultation and make sure that person's present for your appointment. What doesn't happen? Here's what you won't find during your consultation at Smile Now. There won't be pushy sales tactics, we're not going to be upselling, and there won't be any rushed explanations and no one-size-fit-all treatment plans. We're not here just to sell you a product. We're here to help you make the best long-term decision for your health, your confidence, and your life. This consultation isn't just a formality. It's the foundation for your entire smile restoration. We don't do any guesswork. We don't just place implants and figure things out later. We build your plan from the very start with precision, transparency, and your input every step of the way. And even if you've had a consultation somewhere else, we encourage you to come in for a second opinion. You'd be surprised how many patients realize they weren't getting the full picture until they came here. So if you're thinking about dental implants or you've already booked our consultation, now you know exactly what to expect. And if you haven't scheduled yet, now is the perfect time. Simply click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll walk you through every step, answer every question, and help you make the most confident decision possible. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more real talk about implants and what it takes to rebuild your smile the right way. We'll see you in the next video.